Alright, we are here doing the setup for Nocturnal 10. We're at the North Sound Marina in Crabs, Parum. And yeah, somehow we've made it 10 years and we are putting on the biggest show in our history. So we're here back at this venue. You may remember it from 2 years ago we were here. But we are doing it again. We're doing it way bigger. For the 10-year anniversary, we're bringing in Shenseea, dancehall sensation Shenseea, to do a guest performance. We're bringing back DJ Willie Chin for his 3rd year in a row. Still all-inclusive, still semi-formal dress code. Still expecting over 1,500 people. So right now, we are 5 days away from the party. A little bit behind schedule where we wanted to be. This year we have the 100 by 80 foot truss in place. The last 7 years we've been using the 60 by 40. This year we called for the 100 by 80. We spent some big bucks on that. Thanks to Wadali Event Services for coming through. We built 60 feet of bar. Right now they're putting in these two 20 by 30 foot tents over the bar. We built this connection piece to connect both areas to one another. This right here in the middle is where the DJ booth and Shenseea performance will be. And stay tuned while we show you an update of how we do it this year. Here we go. Alright, we're here in Nocturnal 10, setting up right now. We have the 100 by 80 foot truss. Lava is just finishing up putting in the VIP decking. We are currently on the stage and DJ booth where Shenseea will be performing. The bars have been built, some tents have come in. Now it's time to start decorating for the next 2.5 days. Only 3 days left. Looking good. The vision is coming to life. Get ready for the best one yet. Boom. Alright, Lava is here. They're setting up the lights now. We're also decorating now, doing any last bit of woodwork. Last day and a half. We're going to be working late tonight to get everything done. It's coming together slowly but surely. Sound system is in, lights going in now. Putting in some cloth and all the decorations. Waiting on some more branding from the alcohol suppliers to come in. A few tents. Yeah, it's moving, things are happening. Nocturnal 10. Shenseea is about to arrive any minute now. On land. Sending a team to go pick her up now. Boom. Alright, we're getting there slowly but surely. Sound test.
Yo, Nocturnal! Knock them out.
Alright, here's a little video setup. A little video of the setup. All this is the dance floor. She's up there. This is her stage. All this back here is bar. VIP decking, VIP stage and DJ booth. More VIP.
Push back, aye, 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 aye. Every girl a swing that, aye, aye, aye. Girl, you know your wine is sweet like honey, aye, aye, aye. You know what we said, change and them just pocket, aye, aye. And I say, we just When I wake up in the morning, I give thanks, Lord. Yo, live your mind like in the moment. That's how I like it. Believe me,
Representing British Entertainment. She is none other than
Shenseea.
everybody. Say it for me. Go to the stage right now and make some noise. Welcome on stage, Shenseea.
Some guy just a little rumor. That bounce say them on a real gymnastic. And like touching the video in a river. Body good. Body good, yes you do. Body good. We don't watch man, we watch royalty.
We always sexy and we have a little cute face. I love all my ladies looking tonight. We always sexy and we have a little cute face. So, y'all watch me style and not chat, but I time them away. If I get a fire man, we got it. If it's a girl man, we not it. I mean, we take it anytime, anywhere. Me walk out of here, but I can't get a man here. The same man where you hold, so I'm putting good time here. And could I tell you about that thing in your ring? My lights in a ring. Hey, you a wife for me, I never think that I am your man like you today. What you say? You not see how we sexy and we have a little cute face. Some girl watch his style and a chat, but I find them away. If a girl a bar man, me know. We take a girl man, me nah know. I mean, we take him anytime, anywhere with me. Happy New Year to you all. So every day I repeat it, I say, first thing in the your time, next time. Then what? Look in the mirror, take your thunder. Slap right. I can't tell you something. But if you when my son drop, every shedding mouth go open up. Let it go.
No girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man drums and you are on them. Tell them this.
I know they are my general. Black boy, where did he step in?
Yo, Shenseea, represent for me, yeah, man. Root.
NYE presents Nocturnal 10 Legacy, December 31st.